Christmas is officially at Dollar Tree and you're gonna run there as soon as you see all the awesome Christmas DIYs I have for you today. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Araceli and this is Aracelichanyt DIY, where I do a little bit of everything that are DIYs, home decor, hacks, always on a budget. Before you go anywhere, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, because I have so many amazing DIYs coming up for you. In today's video, I have some super simple, easy, cute, and budget-friendly DIYs. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna take a couple of these candle holders from Dollar Tree. As you can see, they're different heights. And then on this, it's super easy to take off the leaf. You just have to bend it down a little bit. Careful not to cut yourself. And then just twist it around until it pops off. And then this is intact, so you can use it for something else. Now I'm gonna take this set of reindeer ornaments, and I'm gonna take the antlers off of one and just keep the other one as is. Shave the rest of that antler off. Just be super careful when you're doing it if you're using a blade. You know what's always bothered me about these reindeer is that if you look at it, the antlers are facing the wrong direction. I might try to fix them so they're like the opposite way, but yeah, why is the head turning that way and the antlers are this way? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. So I found these wood die at Dollar Tree, and there's a total of 3 in each package. And what I'm going to do on each of these is just take my drill and I'm going to drill a hole right in the center. I'm going to try to go all the way down when I drill without breaking the bottom. Now I'm going to take these Dollar Tree Christmas tree ornaments, and you can use as many as you'd like. So I'm going to make a trio of these, and then you're just going to arrange them to however tall you want them to be. And so depending how tall you want, that's how many you want to get. So the first one, I'm going to leave the stump, and then I'm going to cut the stump off of the second one. FYI, the hot glue that I use, it's a little bit yellow. So if you have the white one, go ahead and use that, because it might show through just a little bit. Listen, I've told you guys before, if you want to check out all the videos that don't make it onto this channel, first make sure you follow my socials at Aracelichanyt DIY. I'm going to start my platform on this using this Dollar Tree wooden slice, and then I'm also using these little Christmas tree wooden shapes. I'm going to use 4 of these to make my legs. I'm going to take a string of these LED lights from Dollar Tree, take that and thread it through the bottom, and then you're going to glue the battery pack to the bottom as well. Now when you glue this on there, you're going to want to make sure that the part that you can unscrew to replace the batteries is at the top and not at the bottom. And you don't have to put that much glue, literally just a dot just to hold it in place. And you can see that I twisted the wire around the legs, that way it doesn't show too much once you put it down. So I really love these different size ornaments from Dollar Tree. I took one of the bigger ones that I found, a medium. I'm also going to take this snowman head ornament. Now taking my hot tool, I'm going to melt the hole right in the center of the ornament. And it doesn't have to be huge, just enough space for the light to go through. Taking these foam beads and adding some inside of the ornament. What you doing?
Looking.
Wow.
What's that, Mommy?
It's a snowman. Pack of wine glasses from Dollar Tree, and then also a couple of these shower curtain rings. My hot tool, I'm going to melt off the stem. Alright, and on the curtain ring, you're going to melt off this little center rod. I'm going to spray paint these with some Krylon in Brilliant Gold. I mixed some of this deep brown paint with the black chalkboard paint. This one kind of took over a little bit, so I guess you might as well just use black paint. Came out a really nice color, and then we're just going to distress it a little bit. Alright, you know what I just noticed is that it bent a little bit with the heat of the glue, so just be careful. That's okay. You can't really tell once you have it facing forward, but yeah, if you have it on the side, this did tilt a little bit, which is fine. It's like a bell handle, so it's okay if it tilts, but yeah, just fair warning. You add a little bit of glue, it might bend on you. Head on to my Amazon storefront. That's where I have the list of tools and supplies that I use when I'm creating all of these awesome DIYs. Those are gonna make your life so much easier in this crafting world. Let's go ahead and start with these wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. One's a 12-inch chunky wood slat, and then 3 of these house shapes. And I'll be using some of this deep brown acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna mix it with some glitter. And this glitter is extra fine. This one is from Walmart. Honestly, good luck with this sticker because I'm not having any luck with it. I don't really care. I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to waste time on it. So I was going into it with this glass paintbrush marker from Dollar Tree, which is gonna work fine for like the outlines, but I actually want to create some paint that might be a little bit thicker. And textured, I hope. So I'm gonna add some of this apple barrel white acrylic paint, some cornstarch, and some glitter. And I love the consistency of this, so it's gonna be nice and thick to make it look a little bit more like snow or frosting, I guess. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I have a couple different sizes here. Instead of doing the pen, I think I am gonna be doing the paint. You might just need a little bit of patience with this one. Alright, so if you want this to look a little bit more textured, just put a good amount of paint onto the brush and then just kind of stipple it on there or tap it on there. Oh no, look at it, it cracked. My paint cracked. I don't know if it was because it was in the cold garage or what, but you might be able to just paint over the lines or the cracks. Just paint it with some white paint and I think it should be able to cover it. Tuned because in my next video I'm going to show you guys how to make this super awesome gingerbread man. Literally right now, hit that notification bell and the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button also, and leave me of course any comments or questions down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.